Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Wi-Fi in the Alexa app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on plus icon at the top of your screen. Then tap on device. Now tap Amazon Echo. Choose the Echo device you want to connect to Wi-Fi. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap Wi-Fi network, then tap change. The app will ask you to put your Echo in setup mode. Wait until the light on your Echo turns orange. Now choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password and tap connect. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Wait a few seconds and you will see a message saying your Echo is connected to Wi-Fi. And that's it, you have successfully connected Wi-Fi in the Alexa app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.